Joining us now to talk about the tech sell-off and the broader ripple effects in the market, Charlie Babrinskoy of Ariel Investments and Eric Jackson of EMJ Capital. Great to have you both here. Charlie, I'm going to start with you because, as we mentioned at the top of the hour, terrible day for tech and anything related to AI infrastructure, including some of those energy and power player and industrial names. But the rest of the market held up fairly well today. We actually had positive breath. And if you look at the equal weight S&P, it outpaced the weighted S&P 500 by the most since July of 2024. So is this a buying moment for other parts of the market? And if so, where?
Well, you didn't mention the Russell 2000 value was actually up today. The part of the market that did the best was value stocks. And that's, I'm sorry to keep pounding my book, but that is the case. That is why value will often do better than growth, because growth by definition has a price that is much higher than current earnings would demand. And so in order to buy a growth stock, you have to have some optimism about the future. People tend to be too optimistic about their ability to predict the future, whereas value stocks trade at a reasonable multiple of what they've already proven. And so on days like today, people go look around and say, what's trading at a very reasonable price compared to what they've already proven? Housing stocks did very well today. Consumer staples did very well today. Healthcare did very well. The Russell 2000 was up today.
Eric, I want to get your thoughts on this, and specifically what we're seeing in the tech trade and some of these growthier parts of the market, because those are also the parts where valuations have arguably been the most stretched. It wasn't just NVIDIA and chip names and some of the other tech names. It was also things like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency-related stocks that moved lower today, too. So how much of this is a reflection of concerns of DeepSeek? How much of this is perhaps just an excuse by investors to take some money off the table and rotate?
Well, Morgan, I think that for all the chip names, it's remarkable just how wide the sell-off was for all of those. And I think that, and for the power gen AI affiliated names, I don't think it's going to be a quick bounce back. I think we're probably, we're going to hear from Microsoft, we're going to hear from Meta over the next few days and weeks. And I expect them all to say, hey, we're going to be re-upping our CapEx guidance, we don't full steam ahead and all this kind of thing. We're not going to hear from NVIDIA probably for another 6-7 weeks, I think it is. And I think it might take until hearing directly from Jensen before, there'll be an all systems go for folks to get back into into a name like NVIDIA. I'm still long. I do see it as a buying opportunity. I just don't think it's going to be a knee-jerk response. I think there is going to be some exploration into some other areas. This is a fundamentally huge moment and a sort of a wake-up call to America with just how quickly DeepSeek has developed. And it's a big threat. And it's going to have to be met with a response. It's going to have, there's a whole kind of rethink about how we've been going about developing these models. If OpenAI had been a stock today, it would have been crushed way more than NVIDIA was. I think they're the ones that have been affected the most. We've got to go open source. We've got to focus on software optimization. And I think the Trump administration has to support that, and they have to support other areas that could potentially leapfrog the Chinese in AI, which are names like the quantum names. I like Rigetti the most. I own it. And the area called post-quantum cryptography, which is the security to protect ourselves from quantum attacks. And the name there I like the most is BTQ.
NVIDIA reports its fourth quarter fiscal 25 results February 26, so just about 4 weeks, a little bit more than that. Charlie, finally, how are you going to gauge whether the market sentiment overall is shifting overall toward value at this point?
Well, that's hard to predict in the short term, but it's a tale of two markets. If you look at housing-related names again, you're seeing multiples like 11, 12, 13. When you look at NVIDIA and AI names, you're seeing multiples like 40 to 50. So it's not going to be hard to see where there is value, what's trading at an inflated price, what's trading at a low price. I teach an 8th grade class, 2 8th grade classes. They pick stocks. All the kids in that class wanted to own NVIDIA. They all wanted to own Microsoft and Amazon. None of them wanted to buy value stocks. That's right now why value stocks are just a much better value today.